Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain how to update personal info on Stash app. So to get started, updating your personal information on the Stash app is simple but require knowing where to go for each type of details. For address, you will need to update your banking and investment address separately. To change your bank address, open the Stash app, tap bank at the bottom, then the gear icon and select billing and mailing address. To enter new info for your investment address, go to your profile, then your initial or the gear icon, then tap address and follow the steps to change it. For phone number update, just log in, go to your settings and enter or verify your phone number. Then if you are changing your email address, go to the settings, select your email and verify it using the link sent to your inbox. Make sure to check your spam folder if it doesn't arrive. To update your name, you will need to provide a legal documentation like a government issued ID, marriage certificate, or a court order, and contact Stash support team directly by phone or email. Note that you can't change your name to someone else like a spouse or child on your account. While the Stash app make most updates user-friendly, anything legal or sensitive like name changes will require verification and assistance from their support team, and that's it.